Hey, Katie here from Simply Earth in our Simply store in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, here to share with you a natural toothpaste. This toothpaste will also whiten your teeth, and it features the ingredient activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is not what you use when you're cooking a barbecue. It's when you heat carbonated things that have a lot of carbon in them, like coconut shells, under a really high temperature. And it causes the molecules that the carbon is attached to release. So you end up with these really small carbon molecules that are filled with little holes that want to attach to things like the ucky stuff in your teeth, and that's what we're gonna use it for. So for this recipe, you will need activated charcoal, Pine Scotch Essential Oil, almond oil, and a little sealable container, and a toothbrush. So to start, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of activated charcoal. And I'm gonna mix this whole recipe in this little container because activated charcoal can get pretty messy. You want to stir it, you may, but I'm just gonna shake it in this thing to save on the mess. So 2 tablespoons of activated charcoal, 1.5 tablespoons of almond oil. It's going to make it the right consistency, and it's going to make it safe for the essential oil to go onto my gums. And then I'm going to add 5 drops of Pine Scotch Essential Oil. Once you have all those together, just going to put the lid on it. Make sure it's on there good, otherwise it's like a blender without a top. And I'm just gonna mix it up really good for about 30 seconds or so until it sounds like it's all combined in there and it's almost like a little ball is bouncing around in this container. It's formed a paste, and when you're ready to use it, you can use about a pea-sized amount on a toothbrush. You don't want to use your favorite toothbrush because it'll leave it a little bit black. And when you're using it, it's going to turn your teeth black because it's attaching to all the ucky stuff on your teeth, but it'll rinse right out with the water. So I've got a little amount on my toothbrush, and I'm going to brush. It makes your teeth super pretty. Well, it's going to rinse right out. Right now it's attaching to the plaque and things that are making my teeth not white, and I'm going to rinse those away. So brush your teeth with this all-natural toothpaste to get white, sparkling teeth naturally. You can get everything you need for this recipe plus more when you subscribe to our Essential Oil Recipe Box. Our Essential Oil Recipe Box comes with 4 full-size essential oils plus 6 easy recipes to make your home more natural. See you next time.